Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Dear believers, Assalamu alaikum. In one of the forbidden months, the month of Rajab, we're going to learn 5 things about that which Allah made forbidden for us. There are common characteristics between that which is haram. Number 1, that which is forbidden is always harmful and hurtful to yourself and to the people around you. Number 2, that which is forbidden has a short-term joy and a long-term pain which leads to regret. Number 3, that which is forbidden is usually addictive and habitual, so it sucks you in. Number 4, that which is forbidden leads to more forbidden things, of a variety of forbidden things. And number 5, that which is forbidden is expensive and exhausting. It exhausts you mentally, spiritually, and physically. May Allah save us.